confidence taught me a lot of things. It is just an inner glow because some people think being confident mean that being rude, being mean to people and unkind. But confidence teaches me that knowing your worth, knowing who you are, accepting yourself, practicing self-love, self-care, and still be very kind to people, not being arrogant, but knowing your worth, knowing that you are purposeful, you are unique in your own way, you are beautiful, you are enough, you are intelligent. That is what being confident has taught me. There was a time in my life when I was not confident in myself. I wasn't trusting myself in any aspect, in any area of my life. I think I was not beautiful enough. I was not smart. Even I don't have a beautiful voice. So even when I have to talk at times, I will have to keep quiet. And this, before I became a confident person, you know, this, it was so terrible that even when I'm dancing, let's say we are in a gathering, we are dancing, do you believe that I will shift from my own dancing style and start emulating another person's dancing style, thinking that she's doing better than me. But now, do you know that I'm not even saying your dancing step again. I'm only saying myself because now I realize that I have a very beautiful, you know, dancing step. It was that bad. Then when people tell me, wow, Tolu, you are beautiful, I will be like, oh, oh. But now I can tell you that when you tell me that I'm looking good, I will tell you thank you with my full chest because I know I am beautiful because the Bible says I am beautifully made and wonderfully created. And also, I am in the image of God. This gives me more confidence in myself to the extent that for me to wear this kind of glasses before, I love to do, I loved to wear it. But due to lack of confidence of what people are going to say, how are they going to perceive it on me or feel it or see it on me? Wípé òun náà wá sọ pé orí ò sí níbẹ̀. Now, I don't even care what you say about me in as much that I'm comfortable with what I'm wearing. This gets down to the choice of outfit. At times you will want to just look different in your own way, but the fear of what are they going to say now? Are they not going to say I'm doing too much or whatever they think? It is for them. It is not for me. In as much I'm comfortable about my look and I can now put anything on myself, wear anything I feel like wearing, in as much I'm comfortable in it and I'm pleasing God and also pleasing my husband. You know, self confidence is a level of self acceptance, self awareness, self discovery. It is a kind, it will get to a time when you will start to practice, I mean, self love, as a pure self love for yourself, where you prioritize your concern than what people are going to say. I'm not saying that not being empathetic not being, is not that, but choosing your preference, and also knowing fully well that you want to be loved or you want to do this, not expecting validations from any other person, from people. I already validated myself because my God has validated me. That was a point in my life that I people would think she's beautiful, she's doing this, she's doing that, but in me, I know that I was dying, like I was not living to my fullest. Before now, I used to believe that I don't want or I'm not beautiful enough to do certain things. But now I have regained confidence. If I want to do anything, I don't have to listen to what people are going to say. I'm not going to expect anybody to validate me. I'm not going to expect anybody to tell me it is beautiful on me. You can compliment me, right? But I have already complimented myself. Now, everything I do now is on 10-10. I don't care what you think. I'm not concerned about how you feel about it. In as much I am confident and I am happy doing it. And that is the essence of confidence. That is the essence of self-love, self-acceptance. There was a point in my life when people were telling me that I have a flat and big nose. This is something I can't do anything about. And now I flaunt it anywhere. And it enhances my beauty. That is all I can say, because there's no way people will not even say something about you. There is no way people won't want to pull you down, condemn you, make you feel less of yourself. It is left to you to know that they are just saying things based on their own perspective, and that is for them and not for you. You choose how you want to feel about people's comments by yourself, not them dictating for you how you should feel about certain things in your own life. And this is the essence of confidence, self-love, and self-acceptance. There was a time I shared a video, talking about my nose, and a mother actually came to my DM to, to relate something with me. Another person shared her experience with me when she was in school, that how people were abusing her about her pointed nose. Can you see? Someone is having a flat nose. You talked about it. Another person is having a pointed nose. You talk about it. Like, okay, let me say, what do people even want? That is when you will know that it is not about you, it is about them. It is about how they have chosen to see things. I think this is the time to accept whoever you are, whatsoever you are going through, your look, your status, anything, just accept it. It might just be for you to, to change to change the people that you keep around you. There are certain people that they will always say their negative words, and this will always melt you, bring you down, and make you feel less important. But when you try another circle of people, they might be the one to even bring the best out of you. I think this is what you should start embracing. If this resonates with you, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Comment, like, and share. And let us journey together in this journey of you becoming the best version of you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.